Good evening, folks. We're live at 5:44 p.m. running a mini for Josh's pretty awesome-looking sealed Vader TIE Fighter. I got 12 spots here that I'm going to copy and take over to random here in just a minute to find our winner. Top 4 win spots in the main. Paste them in there, 1 through 12. Going to roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We got a 7. We're cooking with gas. We're ready to go. We're ready to find our winners. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Into it. Myers, followed by Sven in round 1. Myers, Thor, and Sven, 2. Troy, Clint, Thor, and Sven, 3. Myers, Troy, Ryan, and Sven, 4. Myers, Clint, Ryan, round 5. Ian, Sven, dominating the top 4 in the next to last round. Round 6, bringing us, once I get here, to the last round. Good luck, folks. Here we go. Our wieners are Ian, Spencer, Thor, and Sven. Congratulations, fellas. Here's the verification code. Make it legit. EWUUAY. UI. There they are. I am done at 5:45 p.m. As seen there one last time. There's our results. Congrats to the winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks.